If you want to create a flow diagram in Lucidchart quickly and make it look clean and professional, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can build a flowchart from scratch, customize it to match your process, and make it easy to understand for your team or audience. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more software tutorials, and let's get started. First, log into Lucidchart using your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the plus new button and click it to start a fresh document. Lucidchart gives you a few different ways to begin, but for this tutorial, the easiest option is to create your flow diagram from a template. So choose Create from Template, then use the search bar and type Flowchart. You'll see several template options appear, and you can pick one that best fits the type of diagram you want to make. Templates are great because they save time and give you a solid structure to work with right away. Whether you're mapping a business process, a decision tree, or a simple workflow, starting with a flowchart template helps you avoid building everything manually. Once you select a template, Lucidchart will open it in the editor, and you'll be ready to customize it. Now let's build out the flow diagram itself. The first thing you'll want to do is double-click any shape to edit the text inside it. This is how you label each step of your process clearly. For example, you might start with something like Start, then add your next action, decision point, or outcome. Keep the wording short and clear so the diagram stays easy to read. If you need more steps, go to the Shapes panel on the left side. From there, you can drag in additional shapes that match the flow of your process. Lucidchart makes this very simple, so you can add rectangles, diamonds, circles, or other diagram shapes, depending on what your flow requires. Use decision shapes for yes or no questions, process boxes for actions, and start or end shapes to define the beginning and end of the workflow. After adding the shapes, connect them using the arrow handles or connection lines. This is the part that turns a group of shapes into a real flow diagram. Just drag the connector from one shape to the next so the viewer can follow the process in the correct order. Make sure the arrows point logically from one step to the next, and if there are branches in your process, connect those paths separately so the flow is easy to understand. Once the structure is in place, you can customize the appearance of the diagram. Use the top toolbar to change colors, fonts, line styles, and other formatting options. This is where you can make the diagram fit your brand, presentation, or personal style. For example, you can color code different sections, make headings bold, or use consistent styling so everything looks polished and professional. You can also move, resize, or delete shapes as needed. If a step feels too crowded, or the diagram looks unbalanced, just click and drag the shapes into a better position. If something is no longer needed, remove it and replace it with a more accurate step. Lucidchart is flexible, so you can refine the diagram as much as you want until it clearly represents your workflow. A good tip is to zoom out now and then and look at the full diagram as a whole. That helps you see whether the flow feels logical and whether the layout is easy to follow. You want the final result to be clean, simple, and readable, especially if you're sharing it with coworkers, students, or clients. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a flow diagram in Lucidchart, customize the shapes, connect the process steps, and format everything for a professional-looking result. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Lucidchart guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.